Hello and welcome friends in my new video. Today we are going to solve the questions of admission of a partner chapter number 5, and we are going to solve from question number 1 to question number 18 in this video. Okay, so let us start. We are going to calculate today new PSR and sacrificing ratio. First question: X, Y and Z are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. They admit A into partnership and give him 1/5 share of profit. Find the new profit sharing ratio. So let us start. First, we say X, Y, Z are partners in 5:3:2. Okay, and A is admitted into the partnership for 1/5 share of profit. So let us start. Whenever it is not stated from where the new partner is going to take his share, we are taking it as he is taking from the firm. So let the firm's profit be 1. Now remaining share after giving to A. So remaining share we are going to calculate. That will be 1 minus 1 by 5 equals to 4 by 5. This share belongs to XYZ, this share belongs to A, and this is firm's share. So we are going to calculate new PSR X, Y, Z, A. Okay, so this is 4 by 5. We are going to distribute between the old partners in old ratio. That will be 5 by 10. 3 by 10, 2 by 10, that means 20 by 15, 12 by 15, 8 by 15, and 1 by 5. To make it 15, we are going to multiply with 10, so 10 by 50. So the new PSR equals to 20 is to 12 is to 8 is to 10, that is 10 is to 6 is to 4 is to 5. Okay, this is the end of first question. Now we move to question number 2. Ravi and Mukesh are sharing profit in the ratio of 7:3. They admit Ashok for 3/7 share in the firm, which he takes 2/7 from Ravi and 1/7 from Mukesh. Always remember, whenever the share is given and the remaining partners are giving, the total share should be equal to the new partner's share. Okay, if you see 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7 equals to 3 by 7. So let us start question number 2. This is second. The names are Ravi and Mukesh. Ravi, Mukesh. The ratio given is 7:3. Okay, and Ashok is admitted for 3/7, which he takes from Ravi 2 by 7 and Mukesh 1 by 7. Okay, now let us start. Now directly we are going to calculate new PSR as it is specifically given. So whenever specific is given, there is no need to take 1. Okay, now the Ravi share was 7 by 10. Out of that he is giving 2 by 7. Mukesh share was 3 by 10 and he is giving 1 by 7. Ashok 3 by 7. Let us start. 70. 7 7 are 49. 20. 70. 21 minus 10. Okay, so it will be 29 by 70. 11 by 70. To make it 70, we are going to multiply with 10. So 30 by 70. Always try to check that the will be equal, numerator's total will be equals to the denominator. This is our new PSR. Okay, 29, 40, 70. Now we move to question number third. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 7:5. They agree to admit C, their manager, into partnership is to get 1/6 share in the profit. He acquires his share as 1/24 from A and 1/8 from B. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So let us start. A, B, the ratio given is 7:5. They are going to take C for 1/6 share, which he acquires from A and B in the given ratio, that is 1/24 and 1/8. Now, I have told you that you have to check that both the things he is taking will be equals to this share. So let us say 1/24 plus 1/8 equals to LCM will be 24. 1 plus 8 3s are 24. 4/24 equals to 1/6. So it is right, directly we are going to deduct from the partners. So new PSR will be A 7/12, B 5/12. We are going to deduct 1/24, 1/8 and C 1/6. So let us start. This will be 24. 14 minus 1, 13/24. This is 24. 10 minus 3, 7/24. To make it 24, we are going to multiply with 4. 4/24. So new PSR will be 13:7:4. Okay, so this is the end of question number 3. Now we move to question number 4. A, B, C were partners in a firm sharing profit in 3:2:1. ABC 3:2:1. They admitted B as a new partner for 1/8 share in the profits. 1/8 share. Okay, profits. He acquires 1/16 from B and 1/16 from C. Okay, calculate the new profit sharing ratio of ABC. So it is clearly given from B and C he is going to acquire 1/16, 1/16. Okay, so let us start. Again I am going to check. This will be 2/16 means 1/8. So directly we are going to calculate new PSR. Okay, so A, B, C, D. 3/6, 2/6, 1/6, and this is 1/8. Out of that 1/16, oh sorry, from A we are not going to take, from B and C only. So here there will be change afterwards. Let us calculate first here. So 16 to the 30, 16 to the 48, 48 being the LCM. 6 8s are 48, 8 to the 16, 16 3s are 48, so 3, 13/48. To make it 48 here, we are going to multiply with 8, 8 3s are 24 by 48. Here also it is going to be 48, 6 8s are 48, so 8 and minus 3, 5/48. To make it 48 here, we are going to multiply with 6, so 6/48. So new PSR is 24:13:5:6. Okay. Now we are going to calculate next question, that is question number 5. Bharti and Astha were partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Dinkar as the new partner for 1/5 share in the future profit of the firm, which he got equally from Bharti and Astha. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Bharti, Astha and Dinkar. So let's start. Question number 5. Bharti, Astha, the ratio is 3:2. Dinkar is admitted for 1/5 share, which he acquires equally from Bharti and Astha. That is equal share. Okay, means equal of what? Equal of this, his share. His share he is going to acquire equally. That means 1/5 into 1/2. That will be 1/10 Bharti, and same will be from Astha. So both are going to acquire, give 1/10. So new PSR Bharti, Astha, Dinkar 3/5, 2/5 minus 1/10, 1/10, and it is 1/5 here. So this will be 10. 6 minus 1 is 5/10. This is 10. 4 minus 1 equals to 3/10. To make it 10 here, we are going to multiply with 2. Below should be same, so it is going to be 2/10. So new PSR is 5:3:2. Okay. Now we move to next question. Question number 6. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Z is admitted as a partner with 1/4 share of the profit. Z acquires his share from X and Y in the ratio of 2:1. Okay. So let us start. 6. X is to Y, the ratio is 3:2. Z is entered for 1/4 share, which he acquires from X and Y in 2:1. Okay, so let us start. Now the Z share was 1/5, and in 2:3 they are going to acquire from X, so it will be 2/12. And from Y, it will be 1/4 into 1/3. So it will be 1/12. So let us calculate PSR. X, Y, Z. Okay. 3/5. We are going to deduct from X 2/12. 2/5 minus 1/12. So it will be 16. 12 to the 36, 5 to the 10, 26/60. Okay, this will be 60. 12 to the 24 minus 5, 19/60. Okay, and this is 1/4. To make it 60, we have to multiply with 15. It will be 15/60. Okay, so this is going to be 30, 41, 50, 60. Okay, so new PSR is 26:19:15. Okay, now we move to next question. Question number 7. R and S are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. T joins the firm as a new partner. R gives 1/4 share of his share and S gives 1/5 of his share to the new partner. Find out the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so let us start. Question number 7. Okay, R and S are partners in 5:3. The share of T is directly not given, we know, but R is contributing 1 by 4 of his share, that is 1 by 4 of 5 by 8. Okay, and he is contributing 1 by 5 of his share, that is S. Okay, so it will be 1 by 5 of 3 by 8. So this will be 5 by 8 4 the 32. This is 3 by 40. Okay, now let us start. New piece R 5 by 8 minus 5 by 32. Okay, S 3 by 8 minus 3 by 40. Now our LCM should be same, so that we will have no difference in the denominators. Okay, so T we are going to add 5 by 32 plus 3 by 40. Now the LCM will be 160. So it will be 20, that will be 100, and here it will be 5, that will be 75 by 160. Okay, this is also we are going to take 160. So 20, 3s are 60, and 44s are, so 48 by 160, and this is going to be again 160. So 32 5s are 160. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, here 4s are 4 3s are 12, so 37 by 160. So our ratio is 75 is to 48 is to 37. Okay, this is our new case. Now we move to next question. Question number 8. Kabir and Farid are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 7:3. Kabir surrenders 2 by 10 from his share and Farid surrenders 1 by 10 from his share in favor of Jyoti. The new partner calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Both we have to calculate. Okay, so let us start. This is 8. Kabir and Farid the ratio is 7:3. Jyoti is admitting, but we don't know her share. Kabir, Farid. Okay, Kabir is giving 2 by, Kabir is going to surrender 2 by 10, 3 by 10. Okay, so new place are Kabir 7 by 10 minus 2 by 10 equals to 5 by 10. Farid 3 by 10 minus, this is 1 by 10 actually, 1 by 10, so 2 by 10. Jyoti 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10, 3 by 10. Sacrificing ratio we are going to calculate here, that is old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, new PSR is over 5:2:3. Okay, so Kabir ratio was 7/10 minus new ratio was 5/10, that is 2/10, and 3/10 minus 2/10 equals to 1/10. So sacrifice ratio will be 2:1. Okay, as already we have specified. Now let us move to next question, question number 9, in which we have 6 parts. Question number 9, find the new profit sharing ratio. First, R and T are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. S joins the firm. R surrenders 1/4 of his share and T 1/5 of his share in favor of S. Okay, so let us start. Question number 9, first part. R and T are in the ratio of 3:2. S is admitted, we don't know his share. Okay, R is given 1/4 of his share, so 1/4 of his share, that will be 3/5, 3/20. R is given, and T is giving 1/5 of his share, that is 2/5. That means 2/25. Okay, so let us start with PSR. We are going to calculate R, T and S. R 3/5, it is given 3/20. Okay, so let us take it as 100, 60 minus 15, 45 upon 100. Then 2/5 minus 2/25, it is also 100. So it will be 40, and it will be 832/100. And when we add both the things, that will be 3/20 plus 2/25. We are going to take 100 again. Okay, so 15 plus 8, 23/100. So the new PSR is 45:32:23. Now we move to next second part. A and B are partners. They would see for 1/4 share in future. The ratio between A and B would be 2:1. So let us start. Second part. AB are partners. In the absence of any deed, it is going to be 1:1. Okay, and C enters for 1/4 share in future. This is old ratio. In future, A and B are going to have the share is to 1. Now, in this case, it should be noted that C is not taking from any specific partner. That means he is taking from the firm. So let the firm's profit be 1. Okay, remaining share equals to 1 minus 1/4, that is 3/4. Now new PSR, we are going to calculate A, B, C. Here 3/4 is going to be distributed between the partners in future ratio, because we are going to calculate new PSR, that is future. So this will not be counted. Okay, so it will be 2/3, 1/3. So 6/12, 3/12, and that is going to be 1/4. To make it 12, 3 is to 3, 3/3, 3/12. So our new PSR is 6:3:3, that is 2:1:1. Now we move to case 2. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. That means C, for 1/5 share in profit, C acquires 1/5 of his share from A and 4/5 share from B. Okay, so let us start. AB are partners in 3:2. Okay, sorry, 3:2. Then C for 1/5 share. Okay, in the profit, C acquires. Okay, C acquires from A. C acquires 1/5 of his share. 1/5 of his share, that is 1/25 from A, whereas he acquires 4/5 share from B. This is 4/5. If you see the thing, it will be 1/25 plus 4/5. So it will be 25. 1 plus 5 for that 20. 21/25. This will be wrong. That means he is going to take 4/5 share from B. Okay, so that will be 4/25. Okay, always try to check the things so that it will be easy. If you have any confusion, you can solve by this method. So UPS are A 3/5 minus 1/25, B 2/5 minus 4/25, and C 1/5. So it will be 25. 15 minus 1 equals to 14/25. It is going to be 25. 10 minus 4 equals to 6/25. And to make it 25, it will be, we have to multiply 5/5. So it is 14:6:5 UPSR. Okay. Now we move to next question. Question 9, fourth part. X, Y and Z are partners in the ratio of 3:2:1. W joins the firm as a new partner for 1/6 share in the profit. Z would retain his original share. So let us start. Fourth part. X, Y, Z, their share is 3:2:1. W enters for 1/6 share and Z retains his share. Okay, that means he is not going to change his share. In such a case, first question arises, W is taking from whom? Now it is very clear that he is not taking from any particular partner, that means he is taking from the firm. So let the firm's profit be 1. Okay. Now what happens is, we are going to find out the remaining share. Remaining share after W and Z, that will be 1 minus 1/6 minus 1/6. This is W and this is Z, because both are retaining his share. That means it will be 4/6. Okay, that means remaining will be 4/6. So we are going to calculate UPS of X, Y, Z and W. 3/6, 2/6, 1/6, 1/6. Okay. Now this 4/6, generally we divide 3/6, but now Z is separated, so the share remains 3:2. That means 5. Only we are going to take here 3/5, 2/5. Okay, that you should remember. Otherwise you will create some mistake here. Okay. Now this share belongs to X and Y. So we are going to distribute between 3 upon 5, 2 upon 5. Okay. So it will be 4 by 6, 4 by 6, 12 by 30, 8 by 30, to make it 30, 5 by 5, 5 by 30, same here in the case of W, 5 by 5, 5 by 30. So our new PSR is 12 is to 8 is to 5 is to 5. Is it okay? Now we move to next part 5. A and B are equal partners. They admit C and D as partners with 1/5 and 1/6 share respectively. Both are admitted together. Okay, so let us start. AB are equal partners. Okay, and C is admitted for 1/5 share and D is admitted for 1/6 share. Both are admitted and both are taken from the firm. So we are going to take that the firm's profit be 1. So remaining share we are going to find out 1 minus 1 by 5 of C and 1 by 6 of D. So it is going to be 30. Okay, 30 minus 6 are, okay, and this will be 5. So 11, 19 by 30. Remaining share will be 19 by 30 of A and B. So we are going to calculate new PSR. A, B, C, D. It is going to be 19 by 30, 19 by 30 into equally, that will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and it is 1/5 and it is 1/6. Okay, so let us take, it will be 19 by 60, again it will be 19 by 60. To make it 60 here, we are going to multiply with 12 by 60, and to make it 60, we are going to multiply with 10. So it is going to be 10 by 60. So the new PSR is 19 is to 19 is to 12 is to 10. Okay, so let us start the next question. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. C is admitted for 1/4 share and B decided to share equally in future. It is same like case 4. Okay, actually it is same like case 2. So let us start. Sixth, AB are partners. Their fold ratio is 3:2. C is admitted for 1/4 share and B's future ratio is equal. Okay, they are going to share equally. Now, as you know, C is taken from whom we don't know. That means he is taken from. So let the firm's profit be 1. Remaining share after dividing C will be 1 minus 1 by 4 equals to 3 by 4. New PSR. While calculating new PSR of A and B, it should be kept in mind that it will be distributed in future ratio, not in old ratio. Okay, so 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, that will be 3 by 8, 3 by 8. C is entered for 1/4 to make it A. I am going to multiply with 2, that will be 2 by 8. So our new PSR is 3:3:2. Okay, Now, this is the end of question number 9. We move to question number 10. X and Y were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted P and Q as new partners. X surrenders 1/3 of his share in favor of P and Y surrenders 1/4 of his share in favor of Q. Calculate new PSR of X, Y, P and Q. So let us start question. Okay, let us start. And XY is to be P is admitted for, actually P is given by X. P is given by X, that is 1/3 of his share. So 1/3 of his share, that will be 3/15. Okay, and P and Q. Q is getting from Y, and that is 1/4 of the share of Q, 1/4 of share of Y. Okay, so it will be 2/5. So it will be 2/20. Okay, so new PSR will be X, Y, P, Q. 3/5 minus 3/15, 2/5 minus 2/50, sorry 2/20. If we know P is going to get 3/15 and he is going to get 2/20, so it will be 60. 12 5 is 60, 12 2 is 36, 15 4 that means 12. 24/60. Here it is going to be 60. 12 5 is so 12 to 24 minus 3 is 6. So 18/60. To make it 60 here, we are going to multiply with 4. So it is going to be 12/60. We are going to multiply here with 3. So it is going to be 6/60. Okay. So our ratio is 24 is to 18 is to 12 is to 6. That means 1 the 2 the 3 the 4 the 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, now we move to next question, question number 11. Rakesh and Suresh are sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3. Zahir joins and the new ratio among Rakesh, Suresh and Zahir is 7:4:3. Find out the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. New ratio has been given to us. Okay. Now Rakesh and Suresh. Okay. And it is said Zahir is entering. There is no need to calculate Zahir's share because Zahir is a new partner. He is always going to gain the things. Okay. So old ratio is 4/7, 3/7, and the new ratio is 7:4:3. That means 7/14 and 4/14. So it is going to be 14, 8 minus 7, 1/14. It is going to be 14, 6 minus 4, 2/14. The sacrificing ratio is 1:2. Okay. Now we move to question number 12. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. C is admitted as a partner. The new profit sharing ratio among A, B and C is 4:3:2. Find out the sacrificing ratio. Let us start. So I am not going to write down formula again. Just let us start. 12. Okay. So AB are the partners. Old ratio was given 3 is to 2, that means 3 by 5, 2 by 5, and the new ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 2, that is 9. 4 by 9, 3 by 9. Okay. So it is going to be 45. 9 3s are 27, 5 4s are 20, 7 by 45. It is going to be 45. 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 15, 3 by 45. The sacrificing ratio is 7 is to 3. Okay. Now we move to next question. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4 is to 3 is to 2. D is admitted for 1/3 share in future profits. What is the sacrificing ratio? Okay. Question number 13. As you know, whenever the new partner is taking from the firm, the old ratio is equals to sacrificing ratio. In the previous video, I have explained you the same thing is here. Let us again prove it in question number 13. So ABC are partners in 4 is to 3 is to 2. B is admitted for 1/3 share. Okay. Now from where D is going to take, it is not stated. That means he is going to take from the firm. Okay. So let the firm's profit be 1. Okay. Remaining share equals to 1 minus 1 by 3 equals to 2 by 3. This is belongs to D and this is belongs to A, B and C. So new PSR equals to A, B, C and D. Okay. It is 4 by 9, 3 by 9, 2 by 9 and it is going to be 1 by 3. So we are going to be sticking to 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So it is going to be 8 by 9 3s are 27, 6 by 27, 4 by 27, and to make it 27 we are going to multiply with 9. So 9 by 27. So new PSR is 8 is to 6 is to 4 is to 9. If you calculate this one, 10, 18, 27. Okay. Now we are going to calculate sacrificing ratio as it is asked. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. If you see the formula, generally all the persons know that whenever we are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio, it is old ratio minus new ratio. When we change the equation, okay, we are going to bring new ratio this side and we are going to deduct sacrificing ratio that side, then it will remain same. Okay, so let us see. A, old is 4 by 9 minus 8 by 27. B, 3 by 9 minus 6 by 27. C, 2 by 9 minus 4 by 27. So let us start. 27, 4 3 is 12 minus 8, 4 by 27. 27, 9 minus 6, 3 by 27. 27, 3 to the 6 minus 4, 2 by 27. So sacrificing ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 2. Okay. So let us start next question. Question number 14. A, B and C, A, B, C and D are in partnership sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 36 is to 24 is to 20 is to 20 is to respectively. Each joins the partnership firm for 20% share, and ABCD in future would share profits among themselves in 3 to 10, 4 by 10, 2 by 10, 1 by 10 respectively. Calculate new profit sharing ratio after each admission. Okay, let us start. The future ratio is also given. So future ratio was 3 is to 4 is to 2 is to 1, that is 10. Okay. So let us start. Now E is the taking from firm as it is not stated from where he is going to take, that means he is taking from firm. So let the firm's profit be 1. Okay. So after giving E, remaining share will be equals to 1 minus 1 by 5 equals to 4 by 5. So new PSR will be A, B, C, D and E. We are going to distribute 4 by 5 between A, B, C, D in the ratio of future. We are not going to do that in this, we are going to take this one. So it is 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 2 by 10, 1 by 10. So it will be 12 by 15, 16 by 15, 8 by 15, 4 by 15 and E 1 by 5. To make it 50, it is going to be 10 by 10. So it is going to be 10 by 15, 12, 28, 28, 36, 40, 50. Okay. So our new PSR is 12 is to 16 is to 8 is to 4 is to 10. That means 6 is to 8 is to 4 is to 2 is to 5. Okay. Now we move to next question. Question number 15. X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Z into partnership. X gives 1/3 of his share, while Y gives 1/10 from his share to Z. Okay. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. So let us start. Question number 15. X is to Y. The ratio given is raised to Z enters for the share it is not given to him. X is giving 1/3 of his share, so 1/3 of his share will be 3 by 5. That means 3 by 15. Okay, and Y gives 1/10 from his share to Z, so it will be 1/10 directly from his share to Z. Okay, so let us calculate new PSR. X 3 by 5 minus 3 by 15, Y 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10. Okay, so it is going to be 30. Okay, so 5 6 are 6 3 are 18, 15 so 6, 12 by 30, this will be 30, 6 2 are 12, minus 2, 9 by 30, and Z 3 by 15 plus 1 by 10 is going to be 30, 2, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 by 30. Okay, so the ratio is 12 is to 9 is to 9, that is 4 is to 3 is to 3. This is new PSR. Now we are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, so X 3 by 5 minus 4 by 10, Y 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10. So it is 10, 6 minus 4, 2 by 10. It is going to be 10, 4 minus 3, 1 by 10. So sacrificing ratio is 2 is to 1. Here we can also check from here also it is going to be same, that is 2 is to 1. If you make the denominators same, suppose I am going to make here 30, so it is going to be 6 by 30. To make it 30, here I am going to have 3, so it is 3 by 30. So if you see the ratio here, it is going to be equals to 1 itself. Okay, that is a specific ratio. Now we move to question number 16. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. D is admitted as a new partner for 1/6 share. C will retain his original share. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. So let us start. So question number 16. A is to B is to C. The ratio given is 2:1. D is admitting for 1/6 share. C retains his share. Okay, that is 1/5. In this also, D is taken from whom? It is not given. That means he is going to take from the firm. So let the firm's profit be 1. Okay. So remaining share equals to 1 minus 1/6. It is going to be 5/6. Okay. But this is just the share of B. I have to deduct C's share, so I am going to deduct 1/5. Okay, then it will be 30. 5 5 is 25 minus 6. It remains 19/30. Okay, so we have deducted B share and C's share respectively. Now we are going to calculate UPS now. Okay, we can combine the things and we can divide separately also, or together also. A, B, C, D. So we are going to distribute 19/30 between A and B, and their share will be equal. That is 2:2. 1:1. Because C is retaining his share, we are not going to consider. So 1/2. 1/2. It is going to be 19/60. 19/60. C's share was 1/5 to make it 60. 12/12, 12/60. Now here 1/6 to make it 60, 10. So our ratio will be, new PSR will be 19:12:10. Okay. Now we have already calculated the new ratio. Now we are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, so let us start. A, B, C. A share was 2/5, 1/5, and the new share was 19/60, and 12/60. So let us start. 60, 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24 minus 19. It is going to be 5/60. Here also 60, 12 2s are 24 minus 19, 5/60. Here 60, 12 minus 12 equals to 0. So sacrificing ratio between A and B, between just A and B, will be 5:5. That is equal, you can see here. It is okay. Now we move to next question, question number 17. A, B are in partnership sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. C is admitted for 1/4 share. Afterwards, D enters for 20 paise in the rupee. Compute profit sharing ratio of AB, CD after D's admission. So AB, our partner in raised to 2. C is admitted for 1/4 share. Now, from where he is going to take his share, it is not stated. That means he is going to take from the firm. So, let the firm's profit be 1 remaining share (1 minus 1/4) equals to 3/4. Now, new PSR between AB and C, ABC, 3/5, 2/5 is going to be distributed. Okay, so 1/4, so is going to be 5, 9/20, 6/20, 5/20. So the new PSR is 9:6:5 between ABC. D is again admitted for 20/6. Okay, that is 20/100 in a P. So it is going to be 1/5. From where he is going to take, it is not stated. That means he is again taking from the firm. So let the firm's profit be 1. We are going to repeat the process. Remaining share (1 minus 1/5) equals to 4/5. New PSR A, B, C, D. Okay. A, we are going to distribute 4/5 in ABC. Okay, and B is having 1/5 share. So his share will be distributed in 9/20, 6/20, because this will be the old ratio in case of D's admission. Okay, so 5/20, it is going to be 36/100, 24/100, 20/100, and to make it 100, 20/20. So 20/100. So new PSR will be ABCD 36:24:20:20. Okay, so it is going to be 9:6:5:5. Okay, between A and A, B, C, D. Okay, so let us start question number 18. P and Q are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit R into partnership, who acquires 1/5 of his share from P and 4/25 share from Q. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. So let us start. Question number 18. P and Q are partners in 3:2. They admitted R, we don't know the share of R. P surrenders, okay, who acquires 1/5 of his share from P. Okay, so he is taking 1/5 of his share. The share is not given to us, so how much is the share we don't know. Okay, and 4/25 from Q. 1/5 he is acquiring from P. That means if his share is 1, so if he is taking 1/5, then 4/5 is equals to 4/5 of our share equals to 4/25. Okay, so our share will be 4/25 into 5/4. Okay, so it is going to be 1/5. Okay, so when the total our share is 1/5, that means 1/5 of 1/5 will be 1/25. So when we calculate new PSR, it is going to be P, Q, R 3 by 5 minus 1 by 25, 2 by 5 minus 4 by 25, and total 1/5. Okay, so 25, this is 5 3s are 15 minus 1, 24 by 25. Sorry, 14 by 25, 25, 5 2s are 10 minus 4, 6 by 25, and to make it 25 here, we are going to multiply with 5, so it is 14 is to 6 is to 5 new case. Okay, now we are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, so PQ, the old share is 3 by 5, 2 by 5, the new share is 14 by 25 and 6 by 25. 25, 5 3s are 15 minus 14, 1 by 25, 25, 8, sorry, 5 2s are 10 minus 6, 4 by 25. Already we have calculated here. This is 1 by 25, 4 by 25. Okay, so sacrificing ratio equals to 1:4. Okay, this is the end of question number 18 and our video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you.